Hi everyone, my name is Alexis Currie and I'm currently a sophomore majoring in political science and minoring in homeland security and criminal justice. My intentions are to attend the University of Akron Law School after graduation to obtain my law degree. I've shadowed a criminal defense attorney and I really enjoyed my experience there. I can definitely see myself pursuing a career in criminal law, but I'm still shadowing and gaining experience in different types of law to try to really figure out what I want to do after law school. On campus, I'm involved in Residence Hall Council, or you may have heard it as RHC. This organization simply promotes community building in the residence halls, and I have a doubled executive position in RHC. So I'm the vice president and the NCC, which stands for National Communications Coordinator. And so I'm the liaison between the University of Akron and then universities across the nation. I'm also a member of Sigma Lambda, which is an honorary on campus. And I also work at Starbucks in the student union. So if you're a Starbucks fanatic or you like teas, coffees, pastries, you'll probably see me at some point during the semester. I'm also involved in the International Business Association. And then a few other pre-law majors and myself are revamping the pre-law society on campus. So once we get everything more established and finalized with that, I'm sure that I'll be able to give an update to the class to see if anyone is interested in getting involved. And to jump back to my involvement with RHC, I've been able to get involved with the residence halls and also meet recognized speakers in the leadership world and beyond. And so we bring to campus hypnotists, we bring singers that have been on The Voice, and getting that experience of meeting people who are nationally recognized has been really cool. And I've also had the chance to meet lifelong friends and memories that I will definitely take past my UA experience. And so a little bit about myself, my family. I'm an only child and a first generation college student. Growing up and until now, I am very close with my family, and they've been my support system throughout my entire life. It's always just been the three of us, so very close with them. I also have two dogs that we've rescued. We have Brutus, who is the brindle colored dog, and then our white dog is Bailey. And a funny story actually about Bailey. When I was younger, my family took me to the mall to use my Build-A-Bear gift card that I've gotten for my birthday. However, the dog stores that they have in some of the malls still, they had puppies that day. And so we left with the dog instead of a Build-A-Bear, but she has been a great dog over the years, and she actually just turned 13 in December. I come from a really small town. It's about 40 minutes south of Akron. I graduated from Canton South High School in 2020, and I played soccer year-round for 12 years. And so soccer has always been a really big part of my life. I think that a lot of my personal traits have come from the team aspect of soccer, but it's individualized, but it's also a team effort, I think, which allows you to critically think, but also work with other members of your team. And so since it was such a big part of my life, I hope that one day in the future I can find some type of coaching position to still stay involved in the sport, because I think that it's a really great sport for kids to get involved in. And so hopefully one day in the future I'll find myself back to the soccer field. And just a little personal note, my all-time favorite place to travel to is Disney. My family and I went to Disney, Florida this past summer, and it was absolutely wonderful. Although it was very hot, it was very fun. My family and I actually did all 4 parks in 2 days, and so we definitely got our steps in those few days that we went. My favorite park is Epcot, but we did spend a lot of time in Disney Springs looking at all the different restaurants that they have there and getting to know the little nooks and crannies a little bit better. And so that was just a little bit about me. I'm really looking forward to this semester and meeting everyone. So good luck, and I'll see you in class.